Today we're going to celebrate National Potato Chip Day, March 14th, a very special day for me because it's my mother's birthday. And it's also my birthday. Have you ever heard of someone putting potato chips on a sandwich? I have. I think I've probably done it once in my life. But I've heard my grandmother talking about putting potato chips on a sandwich when she was growing up on a farm in Rarrisburg during the Depression. Since this is an experiment, we have to follow the scientific method. And the first thing in the scientific method is to form a hypothesis. My hypothesis is that this is going to taste amazing. We got Martin's potato rolls, because there's no alternative to Martin's potato rolls. I'm going to go with mustard. Any mustard will do. Any nasty mustard that you have. Cooper sharp cheese, because that's my favorite cheese. Berks County's best Diefenbach's chips from Womelsdorf. You get regular seltzers. You can get any kind of Lebanon Bologna, Kunzler. My favorite part of the experiment, the actual taste test of it. As you can see, it's a little high. I imagine, and this is what I'm going to do. I don't know if this is proper, but the potato chips are a little bit high. I imagine a little bit of smushing is in order. There you go, smush. You hear the cracking of the potato chips. Imagine you smush the bun, but you're gonna eat it anyway. So you gotta smush the bun a little bit. Let's see if we can go. My hypothesis originally was that this was going to be amazing. So we'll see if it's amazing. It needs more potato chips. Let me add more potato chips. Smush it once again. All right, there you go. Second bite. Should be better than the first. More potato chips. It was good. I liked it. I don't know if I would continue to do that, maybe for a little change of pace every now and then, but I'd stick to my Lebanon Bologna sandwich and put the Diefenbachs on the sides of potato chips. Maybe I messed up by not using Middlesworth kettle barbecue chips. I don't know. You can write in the comment section if I screwed up. And if you like the video, share it. Like the Pennsylvania T-shirt company. Check out the website. We have locally themed apparel, Berks County, Bucks County, Cumberland County, Dauphin County, Delaware County, Lancaster, Lebanon, York, Schuylkill, Northampton, Montgomery. Thanks for coming to my kitchen and celebrating National Potato Chip Day. Thank you.